Hi everyone, so welcome to ITS workshop. So today I'm going to start a new web series on Python programming language. If you are wondering that which language should I start from as my first programming language, so you can consider Python. You don't need to learn C, C++, Java, JavaScript all together in order to come to the Python. You can take Python as your first programming language. It's gaining popularity every day. You can do lot of server-side scripting tasks. You can write your automation script. You can create desktop-based GUI for your web application. You can build. You can use Django framework. You can use Flask framework. So there are a lot of things which you can do with Python. If you are a test engineer, you can learn automation using Python. If you are into data science, you can use Python for your machine learning or artificial intelligence stuff. If you are learning Hadoop, you can use Python programming language for your MapReduce job and other programming tasks. If you are learning Spark framework for data analysis, you can use PySpark for that purpose. So there are many things which comes really handy in Python. Python is easy to understand. It has a shorter syntax. It's object oriented programming. It supports functional programming. It has high level built-in data structure from the day one itself, so it's very useful. So there are many things which Python gives as a built-in data type itself, which other language maybe you have to implement separately, or maybe down the line they brought all those data structure into the language as part of the language. Like for example, I can give Java collection framework. So before Java 1.5, you had to write your own array list, your own linked list logic. You have to implement all those stuff. But look at the Python. On the other hand, we have list, we have dictionary, we have set. All these data structures are part of the language itself from the day one. So Python is a very powerful language. It has really good support, supportive community. It has lot of modules which you can just put into the into your project and you can use it. There are great libraries for NumPy, Pandas, and Django is one of the most popular uh, web development framework. You can use either Django or Flask for your web development. That's very quick, easy, and very fast to the market development can be done using Django framework. So yeah, there are a lot of things you can do with Python. For say you are into DevOps engineer, you can writing your script into Python. So we'll be taking all this topic one by one. I'll be starting from hello world Python itself. I'll be taking Python 3 because that's the latest version we are taking into consideration nowadays when you are starting your project. And I'll focus quite some time for data structure. Those are most important part for the basic Python. Then I'll jump to if else or control flow, break and continue statement. Then our loops are there. So these are the common language topics which we'll be discussing. Then our file handling, exception handling, working with JSON data, and then we'll come to object oriented stuff, how to write functions, how to create classes and inheritance, and what kind of inheritance is supported by Python. Then we will come to some 20 plus libraries are there. Those are most commonly used library, like date and time library, working with the string formatting, and regex is there. Yes, so there are a lot of topics which are there in the Python as the core Python itself. So if this is your first programming language, you can totally start, you can take these videos and you can start developing softwares from the day itself. Then I'll be creating a second web series for the intermediate level of Python. Then I'll create the third series for the advanced Python discussion. Then I'm planning to have a separate web series for the interview questions, the most most asked interview question for any of the Python profile. Then we can take a separate web series for the Django development framework, and separate for the test automation, and the writing the Python script for the DevOps engineer. So there are a lot of things which get separated and encouraged using Python from the day one itself. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and let's learn it together. Thanks a lot.